This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Deanna Mendenhall Miller. Well-maintained and nicely updated basement ranch home in vibrant South Knoxville community. Across from Dogwood Elementary School. 3 bedrooms and full bathroom on main level and large bedroom with fireplace and sitting area on basement level. Garage and large fenced corner lot. Low maintenance brick home with restored hardwood floors. Partially covered wrap-around porch. Home is close to South Knoxville bike trails and Baker Creek Preserve. For more information, review the details below or contact Deanna Mendenhall Miller at 865-342-4200.